一篇描写快乐女孩的文章，建议收藏。A happy girl. Hello, dear friends. My name's Liu Xin. My name is 加名字等于 I am 加名字。I am a happy girl. I'm 12. I'm a student in Nanjia Primary School. I'm in class 6, grade 5. 介绍自己基本信息的句型采用一般现在时主系表结构。注意这里先说班级，后说年级。I'm not tall and not short. I have a round face, a small nose, 2 small eyes, and a small mouth. My hair is black and short. Hair 不可数，要用 be 动词的 is. I like wearing my school uniform every day. 一般现在时的标志词主非单三加动员 like 后边接动词 ing 的形式表示习惯性的爱好与动作。My English name is Sally. My favorite proverb is it is never too old to learn. I want to be an English teacher when I grow up. Want to be 加名词，想要成为。I like English very much. Do you like me and do you want to make friends with me? Like 加了名词 like 加了动名词 like 又加了宾格的人称代词。Make friends with somebody 和某人交朋友。跟着小老师学英语，每天进步一点点。